Welcome back to High Stakes. Elevate your betting game by hitting that subscribe button and ensure you never miss out on our daily content. Want exclusive access to premium betting picks? Join our Patreon. Links are waiting for you in the comment section below. Stay ahead of the game with High Stakes. In this video, I'll be sharing my professional betting picks and analysis for 3 exciting NHL matchups: the Tampa Bay Lightning versus Columbus Blue Jackets, Colorado Avalanche versus Washington Capitals, and Vegas Golden Knights versus Ottawa Senators. Stay tuned as we break down the key factors that will shape these games and explore the best betting strategies to consider. The Tampa Bay Lightning are coming off a thrilling 3-2 overtime win against the Pittsburgh Penguins, where Braden Point and Darren Radish each notched 2 assists, while Andrei Vasilevsky turned aside 17 of 19 shots. Offensively, the Lightning have been solid, averaging 3 or more goals in 8 of their last 10 games. They're ranked 7th in goals per game, with Nikita Kucherov leading the charge with 26 points and 11 goals. Defensively, Tampa Bay has also performed well, ranking 9th in goals against per game and 8th in shots against per game. Vasilevsky boasts a strong .951 record, 2.13 GAA, and a .919 SV%, though backup Jonas Johansson has struggled with a 4.51 GAA and .866 SV%. Columbus, on the other hand, is coming off a surprising 5-1 victory over the Boston Bruins, with Elvis Merzlikins stopping 28 of 29 shots. However, the Blue Jackets' offense has been inconsistent, scoring 2 or fewer goals in 8 of their last 10 games. They rank 13th in goals per game and 5th in shots per game, but are heavily reliant on Kirill Marchenko, 16 points, and Sean Monahan, 15 points, for scoring. Defensively, Columbus has been average at best, ranking 25th in goals against per game and 16th in shots against. Merzlikins has a .451 record with a 2.72 GAA and .905 SV%, while Daniil Tarasov has struggled mightily with a 4.04 GAA and .861 SV%. Historically, Tampa Bay has dominated Columbus, going 8-2-0 in their last 10 meetings. Over this stretch, the Lightning have averaged 4.30 goals per game, while the Blue Jackets have managed just 2.50. Given Tampa Bay's strong offense and Columbus' defensive issues, the Lightning should easily cover the puck line, -1.5, in this one. Prediction: Tampa Bay Lightning -1.5. As for the total, Tampa Bay's potent offense and Columbus' struggles to contain high-scoring teams suggest this will be a higher-scoring affair. With both teams averaging over 6 goals combined per game in their recent matchups, the over on 6.5 goals looks like a solid play. Prediction: over 6.5 goals. The Colorado Avalanche are coming off a narrow 3-2 win over the Philadelphia Flyers, though they failed to cover the -1.5 puck line. Cale Makar had a stellar performance, scoring twice, while Casey Middlestat contributed with a goal and an assist. Mikko Rantanen also added 2 assists, and Justus Annunen stopped 24 of 26 shots. Offensively, the Avalanche have been solid, scoring 3 or more goals in 5 of their last 7 games. They rank 10th in goals per game and 12th in shots per game, with Nathan MacKinnon leading the charge with 34 points and Makar adding 27. While the Avalanche's offense has been on point, their goaltending has been a major issue this season. Colorado ranks 31st in goals against per game, despite ranking 1st in shots against per game. Alexander Georgiev has struggled with a 3.56 GAA and .863 SV%, and is questionable for this game due to an upper body injury. Justus Annunen, who has been the backup, holds a .630 record with a 2.81 GAA and .886 SV%. On the other side, the Washington Capitals are firing on all cylinders offensively, coming off a 6-2 win over the Utah Hockey Club. Alex Ovechkin scored twice, while Dylan Strome and Brandon Duheim each recorded a goal and an assist. Charlie Lindgren stopped 24 of 26 shots in net. The Capitals have scored 5 or more goals in 6 of their last 10 games and currently rank 1st in goals per game. Strome leads the team with 28 points, while Ovechkin is close behind with 25. Defensively, the Capitals have been steady, ranking 10th in goals against per game and 12th in shots against. Goaltenders Charlie Lindgren and Logan Thompson have both contributed to the team's success in net, with Lindgren holding a 2.59 GAA and .900 SV% and Thompson posting an .801 record with a 2.63 GAA and .913 SV%. In their only meeting this season, Washington defeated Colorado, and with their superior offense and solid goaltending, the Capitals look poised to take another win here. Despite Colorado's offensive strengths, their defensive and goaltending struggles make them vulnerable in this matchup. Betting prediction: Washington money line. With both teams ranking highly in offensive production, but Colorado struggling defensively, this game is likely to see a lot of goals. The over on 6.5 goals is a solid bet, given both teams' scoring ability and the Avalanche's issues in net. Betting prediction: over 6.5 goals. The Vegas Golden Knights have been a dominant force in the NHL for several years, but their road performance in the 2024-25 season has been less than stellar, with a 3-4-2 record in 9 road games. Offensively, however, they continue to excel, ranking 4th in the NHL with 4.00 goals per game. Despite their offensive success, the Golden Knights' goaltending has been a concern, as both of their goaltenders are posting save percentages below .900. The team's most recent outing was a 3-0 shutout loss to the Toronto Maple Leafs, marking a tough start to their road trip. Vegas will look to bounce back and find some consistency on the road against an Ottawa team that has been struggling. Ottawa's season started with promise, but they faltered recently, winning just 4 of their last 12 games. They are still averaging 3.17 goals per game, ranking 15th in the league, but their goaltending has been a weak spot, with Linus Ullmark posting a concerning .884 save percentage. The Senators have been led by Tim Stützle and Brady Tkachuk, but despite some strong individual performances, they've struggled to put together consistent team efforts. In their last game, they lost 5-2 to the Edmonton Oilers, with Ullmark allowing 5 goals on 31 shots. The Golden Knights have dominated this matchup historically, posting a 9-1 record in their last 10 meetings with Ottawa, including a 4-1 record in Ottawa. Vegas has outscored the Senators 22-14 in those matchups and should be confident heading into this game despite their road struggles. Betting prediction: Vegas minus 1.5 goals. Vegas has been strong offensively, and Ottawa has struggled to keep up in recent games. The Golden Knights should turn their road trip around with a solid victory, covering the minus 1.5 puck line. Betting prediction: over 6 goals. Both teams rank in the top half of the league in goals scored, and with the over hitting in 6 of the last 10 meetings between these two, expect a high-scoring affair. The over also aligns with recent trends for both teams, with Vegas averaging 3 goals allowed per game and Ottawa allowing plenty of goals in recent home games. This should be an exciting game for goal-scoring fans. Prediction summary: Vegas minus 1.5, over 6 goals.